Today in this video I will guide you how to get a ChatGPT API key. So let's get started. So you need to go to any browser or you can choose Chrome. So you just need to type platform platform.openai.com/account/API key and just need to press enter, and you will be redirected to OpenAI ChatGPT API's keys. You can create your new secret API key. There is another way you can visit that page. You just need to type open AI API key in any browser, and at fourth line you will see open AI platform. Click on that and you will be redirected to playground, and just click on open AI API keys, and there you can create new secret API key. I will write API key name, and your new API key is creating. You need to copy that API key and keep it on safe place. So remember, you won't able to view it again, so keep it in safe place. So see you next videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.